So today supposed to be getting a different setup with some 40s. We can't find the lug key to the 7 spline. If y'all get spike lug nuts, get a 6. They're a little more available. It's hard to get stuff like this in CSRA, but it's the plan if we find lug nuts. If we don't find a key, I don't really know what we're gonna do, but height reference, I can already fit under the mirror. So on 40s, it's gonna be insane. But it's on 37s now. $26.14. All right, y'all. Got the truck up. We gotta look in, found some keys. Says the setup is getting swapped. So like I said, it's a 40-inch trail. Concave 2614. So this the black truck. A little closer. So the 40s on Brandon truck probably gonna be pretty crazy. But I'm gonna post up once we get this setup done.
Help on your side, there's my turf over here. We have emotion fucking hoes.
I don't like the cuts and I don't like that big ass gap.
Yeah. No, I'm not lying. I showed him a video how somebody on TikTok called that out, that they're not true 37. That's what I'm gonna do.
Y'all, these 40s is heavy as hell. I swear to God, these things like 200 pounds, bro. Like, we hit back and bars.
Fucking lift, dude. I gotta polish the wheels. I gotta polish the lift.
Yeah, might as well do the whole thing.
It's crazy. They're not as heavy as you think.
I mean,
It's just the
it's just heavy enough.
That's
All right, man. All right. Got one side. It's pretty good swap, I'd say. Everybody truck look better with each setup.
Get it in, get it out. The stove on the hill, that's why it's fucking hot. Sweating like a motherfucker, standing over the pot, trying to be the tough guy. That's how your dumb
This
ass
is the
gets
last one.
I thought I had the biggest fifth gen, and I saw him
Y'all,
come
this
back
thing
the
is
other way, and I was
huge,
like, God,
bro.
damn.
Wait, so we put this down on the ground, but now it's a huge difference on the tailgate. You can see.
If that bitch ain't tryna fuck, tell her dumb ass get out. Pocket slapping so much cheese in these bitches diamond out. I'm forever getting money, I don't think I'm running out. You can still see the peas through these tinted windows. Down south thuggin' with Z's, treat me like I'm kinfolk.
So they actually don't look like it was in too bad a shape. It's just a little simple wash. I don't know if it's gonna need polishing yet, but huge difference. All right, washed up. They are indeed ceramic coated, so they only need a wash. So you can see it's a mirror. Gotta dry them off, but yeah, it's crazy. What you say, Brandon? 40s over the 37s?
100%, yeah.
This shit crazy, y'all.
Need some damn tire shine, though. Need some coveralls.
Last thing we got here for this truck is for sale. 71K. You know, now I got the 40s on it, but it's a 22, 38,000 miles, or like roughly in the area. Located in Beach Island. Y'all can get it, man. Shit crazy now, bro. LP wheels and tires. It's riding way smoother than the Furies. Riding better than the Furies. Track out as usual, but the 40s ride as well. Good little trade, man.
Slick pretty loud.
Yeah, slick right loud.
Sound good.
Man, good trade on everybody in. Mission accomplished.